Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Here, finally, we get this expected sell-off. People were already concerned that price would go up and the projection to the downside here would not play out. And of course, it can always turn around, but I just didn't have any direct bullish wave count available, really, that was likely. You can always come up with something, but we're always looking in our analysis for the most likely pathway, the most likely scenario, and this one was fairly clear. I mean, it's never guaranteed, but we had a few things that came together here. We had a strong downtrend, we were below resistance, we had corrective price structures to the upside, we were heading into the apex of a triangle, so something needed to happen. So yeah, it was all coming together. Obviously now we've reached that next target that I talked about in the last few videos, 230. A break below 230 will increase downside momentum. That's the 78.6 fib level. If we break below that level, I think it can come down to 208, and it needs to turn around at the latest, because if it doesn't, then we are probably looking for a drop all the way to $184, and then potentially even if it goes below that level in the red wave count, which would be the bearish one, to long-term support around $140, 140, 150. But at the moment, I still give the white wave count. Actually, it's white yellow. Let's make that all white. I give the white wave count still the chance, the benefit of the doubt, because BNB is still a rather healthy chart overall. Of course, also has its problems, but it's a better chart than many altcoin charts, I have to say, long term as well. But as long as it's holding here the orange support area, we can still look for a low somewhere here. But as I said, I mean, it's just working its way down now in line with previous projections. It hasn't confirmed to us any low yet, so we need to pay attention to that. And now that we know the 230 level and the 208 level, we need to look for lows here, which means waiting for a reaction, looking for a reaction. But at the moment, I would expect price to get to that $208 level, and then we can look for a reaction there. I mean, if it rallies from here, then we are probably dealing with a much more complex correction. Ideally, we want to avoid that. Ideally, we make another low here below at least. I mean, 230 is sort of the level where momentum increases to the downside, but really to fulfill this wave count in 5 waves, it would need to break below 220, which is the third wave low. So yeah, waiting for clarity here. Or no, we actually have clarity. It's just waiting for it to play out. If we really are in the C wave, then looking at this wave structure, we could say, and there will be other interpretations as well, but my take is this is a 1, this is a wave 2. We're now in a third wave, should then get a 4 and a 5. That is pretty much in line with what Bitcoin is doing as well. Within the third wave, we probably here have a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish off wave 3, 4, 5. So, and micro support is first of all here where we're now, but then down there around 220. Okay, that's my update about BNB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.